Sandy Campbell singer. Sandy Campbell is an American actress and singer based in Southern California. She gained national attention with her debut solo CD, Crazy World, and for her performance in the premiere of Lucy Simon's Zhivago at the Jolla Playhouse, directed by multiple Tony-winner Des McAnuff. She made her New York and London debuts performing the Zhivago score in concert. Stage work. Sandy Campbell has performed most of the leading soprano roles in the modern repertoire. She is a resident artist at Signet Theatre Company in San Diego, as well as an associate artist with Lamb's Players Theatre. She has been nominated for the San Diego Theatre Critics Circle's Craig Noll Award 6 times, winning in 2012 for Leading Actress in a Musical for her performance in Parade, and again as Leading Actress in a play in 2015 for her performance in Master Class. Other notable work includes The Most Happy Fella Rossabella, Man of La Mancha Aldonza, Sweeney Todd, Johanna, Fawcetto's Cordelia, Into the Woods Cinderella, West Side Story Maria, Drood Rosabud, and Fiddler on the Roof Hodel. She has also appeared in straight plays, most notably as Bella in Lost in Yonkers. Vocalist. As a solo cabaret artist, Sandy has developed multiple cabaret shows with musical director G. Scott Lacey. And I'll Be There, Songs of Love and Friendship premiered at North Coast Repertory Theatre in October 2003. The Stories Go On, which has received considerable audience acclaim in multiple venues. In 2005, she released her first studio recording, Crazy World as a Horror Entertainment, a collection of mostly lesser-known theater songs. Reviews. Campbell sings with irresistible clarity and power. Los Angeles Times. Outstanding. A striking voice and presence. KPBS Radio. Whoa. Musical theater heaven. There are echoes of Judy Collins in Campbell's soprano. San Diego Union. Exceptional. Most remarkable. New levels of beauty and richness while filling her character with great tenderness, intelligence, and emotion. San Diego Playbill. It only took hearing the first few phrases sung to let me know the songs are in good hands. Sandy's voice is instantly appealing. She has an open and sweet quality, but with intelligent phrasing that keeps her safely far away from over-sentimentality. It's no surprise to learn that she has experience in theater and cabaret. It shows. Among the very best musically lovely, and rarer still beautifully acted. Beautiful, sensitive. A wonderful recording. Jeff Blumenkrantz, composer. The other Franklin. Campbell exhibits real talent with the material. Max Prio, editor. Show Music Magazine.